Hi everybody, welcome back to Anne's Delicious Kitchen, back with another delicious recipe made simple. On the menu we have garden egg stew. These are the ingredients I will be working with. They will be listed in the description box with its measurements. For this sauce, you will need palm oil. I am using Zomi palm oil, which I just added in my pot. And once it becomes hot, I will go in with my sliced red onion. This should be fried until translucent for about 3 minutes over medium heat. After about 3 minutes, the next ingredient which will go in the pot is the marinade. So here I have my jerk marinade. While the mixture is gently frying, I will go ahead and boil the garden eggs and salted fish. Now let's go in with tomato puree. This should be fried for about 5 minutes on medium heat. Once the mixture is well fried, I will go in with chopped tomatoes. You can blend your tomatoes if you desire, then mix till it's well combined. But I prefer to add it in the pot straight away. So as you can see here, I have the garden eggs and some chopped up eggplants which I am boiling. Once it becomes fork tender, I will grind it in my grinding pot. Boil for about 8 to 10 minutes. So what I will do now is to add shrimp powder. I will also go in with canned seafood and mix till it's well combined. So here I have my cooked dried salted fish, which will go in the pot. So you can use any protein or seafood of your choice, okay? I will go in with smoked paprika, curry powder, and shrimp cubes. Then mix till it's well combined. So after you have flavored the sauce, allow it to simmer for about 5 minutes on medium heat. The sauce is almost cooked through. Next, I will go in with my mashed garden eggs and chopped up eggplant. Then mix till it's well combined. Here I have my boiled eggs. Let's go ahead and garnish the stew. So here I have some chopped up scallions. Food is ready and it's time to plate. Thanks for joining me in my kitchen, and don't forget to thumbs up the video. Thank you and stay blessed.